Solved problems, transactions and journal entries. Problem. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Ravi for the year 2018. December 1. Mr. Ravi commenced business with cash 60,000. December 2. Purchased goods for cash 15,000. December 4. Withdrew cash for personal use 2,000. December 8. Opened a bank account with SBI with 1,000. December 10. Sold goods for cash 10,000. December 13. Paid expenses 2,000. December 15. Received commission 2,000. December 20. Sold goods to Mr. Raghu on credit 15,000. December 25. Deposited into bank 6,000. December 28. Machinery purchased for cash 5,000. December 30. Further capital introduced 20,000. Let us pass journal entries in the books of Ravi. Journal. December 1. Mr. Ravi commenced business with cash 60,000. Journal entry. December 1. Date. Particulars. Cash account debtor 60,000 to Ravi's capital account 60,000 credit. Being the Ravi commenced business with cash. December 2. Purchased goods for cash 15,000. December 2. Purchases account debtor 15,000 to cash account credit 15,000. Being the goods purchased for cash. December 4. Withdrew cash for personal use 2,000. December 4. Drawings account debtor 2,000 debit to cash account 2,000 credit, being cash withdrawn for personal use. December 8. Opened a bank account with SBI with 1,000. Date. December 8. Bank account debtor 1,000 to cash account credit 1,000, being the bank account opened with SBI. December 10. Sold goods for cash 10,000. December 10. Cash account debtor 10,000 to sales account 10,000, being the goods sold for cash. December 13. Paid expenses rupees 2,000. December 13. Expenses account debtor to cash account credit 2,000, being the expenses paid in cash. December 15. Received commission 2,000. December 15. Cash account debtor 2,000 to commission income account credit 2,000, being the commission income received. December 20. Sold goods to Mr. Raghu on credit rupees 15,000. December 20. Accounts receivable Raghu debtor 15,000 debit to sales account credit 15,000, being the goods sold on credit. December 25. Deposited into bank rupees 6,000. Date. December 25. Bank account debtor 6,000 to cash account credit 6,000, being the cash deposited into bank. December 28. Machinery purchased for cash 5,000. December 28. Machinery account debtor 5,000 to cash account 5,000, being the machinery purchased for cash. December 30. Further capital introduced 20,000. Date. December 30. Cash account debtor 20,000 to Ravi's capital account 20,000 credit, being further capital introduced by Mr. Ravi.